I created Family Recipes, this app, with two user stories in mind. The first user story was, as a parent, I want to save my family-tested recipes somewhere other than on a piece of paper. The second user story was that, as a housewife, I want to find recipes that remind me of home. Users can immediately achieve the second user story through the Discover screen, this one, and the Search feature. Achieving the first goal, or user story, which is that I want to save my family-tested recipes, requires a little more work. Users need to sign in or create an account before they can start creating recipes. Once logged in, users can easily view their recipes in the profile or create new ones from the Create screen. Family Recipes was designed with the understanding that its users would want a simple, easy-to-use layout that gets the job done without distractions or unnecessary features. Thank you.